It was 50 years ago today that President Lyndon B. Johnson declared that unconditional war on poverty in his State of the Union address.
The initiative was designed to assist the 1 in 5 Americans who were below the poverty line at that time in 1964. As a result, new health insurance programs for the elderly and the poor were developed. Social Security benefits were increased, and food stamps and nutritional supplements for low-income pregnant women and infants were introduced. Also established Head Start programs for young children, Upward Bound and Job Corps programs for teenagers, and work-study opportunities for college students.
And this administration today, here and now, declares unconditional war on poverty in America. And I urge this Congress and all Americans to join with me in that effort.
The government began to expand in the 70s, but by 1988, President Ronald Reagan declared the war was over, with poverty winning. He claimed that, quote, government was not a solution to our problem, government is the problem. That thought still serves as the mantra for many politicians seeking to dismantle America's social safety net.
As a direct result of the war on poverty, one local organization was formed to help in the fight. 23 ABC's Mark Christian tells us how the Community Action Partnership of Kern has been on the front lines of that battle and what some faith-based groups are doing in high poverty areas.
Community Action Partnership of Kern was established 49 years ago to fight poverty by helping people become more self-sufficient.
We've done some great things, and we have families throughout Kern County that we still hear from that we provided services to over the years and have become very successful residents here in Kern County.
The U.S. poverty rate has dropped from 26% in 1964 to 16% today, thanks in part to a variety of food aid programs like Cap K's Food Bank.
And what we're trying to do is not so much give people a handout and a safety net as much as we are trying to push them up and re-engage them in the successful economic system we have in this nation.
Oildale is just one of many areas in Kern County where a large number of residents are living in poverty.
For some reason, people believe that the government owes them.
Jim Falconer lives on Beardsley Avenue and says he believes we are losing that battle.
I don't think it's going too good. I think the entitlement generation is right now.
There are a handful of churches in the Oildale area that deal with people in poverty on a daily basis, and they believe it's their responsibility, not the government's, to lend a helping hand.
And it's our job to do, and so we've chosen to do that for the people here in Oildale.
Teresa Bowles, a mother of 3, receives food stamps but says she couldn't survive with the money she gets from the government without help from faith-based organizations.
We would never make it with the money they give us for a month to live off of. No way. But we come to these churches and they help us out. That's what helps us a lot.
In Oildale, Mark Christian, 23 ABC.